Hello everyone, welcome back to our online class. Here's another lesson for you today. But before that, let us review our lesson last time. Now, we've learned last time about zoo animals. What are those zoo animals that we've learned last time? They are elephant, tiger, giraffe, crocodile, zebra, lion, eagle, fish, rhinoceros, camel, snake, and monkey. Today, we will be learning about animals and their food. In this lesson, we will be learning about the different food of the animals. Animals depend on plants or other animals for their food. There are three types of animals according or based on what they eat. Now, first types of animals is herbivores. These are animals that eat only plants. Second one, carnivores. These are animals that eat only meat or other animals. And the last one, omnivores. These are animals that eat both plants and meat or other animals. Now let us know those animals that eat only plants, or what we call the herbivores animals. So here are some examples of the animals that eat only plants. First we have elephant. Let's spell E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. So as we can remember in our lesson last time, elephant has long trunk. So what do elephants eat? Elephants eat sugarcane, grass, twigs, jackfruits. As you can see, as you observe, sugarcane, grass, twigs, jackfruits are all plants. So we can say that the elephant eats only plants. Now say it with me. An elephant eats plants. Does the elephant eat meat or other animals? The answer is no. Elephant doesn't eat meat. So we can say it does not eat meat. So let's read all together and say it with me. An elephant eats plants. It does not eat meat. Great job, everyone. Now let's go to another example of animals that eat only plants. Giraffe. Let's spell G-I-R-A-F-F-E, giraffe. Last time, we've learned that giraffe has long neck, right? So what do giraffe eat? Giraffe eat the leaves of acacia tree. Because they have a long neck, they can get all the leaves of the acacia tree. And also, giraffe eats grass. So as you can see, acacia tree and grass is a type or a kind of a plant. So we can say that giraffe is an animal that eats only plant. But giraffe doesn't eat any kind of meat or other animals. So we can say it with me, a giraffe eats plants. It does not eat meat. One more time. A giraffe eats plants. It does not eat meat. Giraffe. Giraffe. Great job, everyone. Now let's take a look at the next example of the animal that eat only plant. Zebra. Let's spell Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra. Now, as we all know in our last time topic, zebra has stripes, white and black stripes covering its body. Now, what do zebra eat? Zebra eat the bark of a tree, twigs or branches of a tree, grasses also. So, as you can see, bark of a tree, twigs of a tree, grasses, these are all kinds of plants. So we can say that a zebra is an herbivore because zebra only eat plant. It doesn't eat meat or other animals. So now say it with me, a zebra eats plants. It does not eat meat. Now everybody, let's read all together again. Say with me, a zebra eats plants. It does not eat meat. Now let's take a look at some animals that eat only meat, or what we call the carnivores. So here are some examples of the animals that eat only meat. First we have crocodile. Let's spell crocodile. Crocodile. Now, as you can see, last time we've talked about crocodile. Crocodile has scales over covering its body. So what do crocodile eat? Crocodile eats fishes, frogs, rats, bird. So as you can see, this fish is an animal. Rat, bird, and frogs are animals also. So this is mean that crocodile eats only meat, or crocodile is a carnivores, right? So now we can say that a crocodile eats meat. It does not eat plants. One more time, a crocodile eats meat. It does not eat plants. Another example of an animal that eats only meat is lion. Say to me, lion. Now let's spell L-I-O-N. Lion. Lion has sharp teeth and can run so fast. Now what do lion eat? Lion eats wildebeest, zebras, antelopes. So as you can see here, these all are animals. So lion is an animal that eats only meat. So we can say a lion eats meat. It does not eat plants. Now say it with me again. A lion eats meat. It does not eat plants. Another example we have here is tiger. Tiger, let's spell T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. Tiger has stripes, orange and black stripes covering its body. Now, what do tiger eat? Tiger eats deer, wild pig, water buffalo, antelopes. So as you can see, these are other animals. Tiger eats other animals, meat of other animals. So tiger is an animal that eats only meat. It does not eat any plant. So we can say a tiger eats meat. It does not eat plants. Now say it with me again. A tiger eats meat. It does not eat plants. Great job, everyone. Now let's go to the third types of animals, which is the animal that eat both plants and meat or other animals. So we can call them omnivores. So here is some example of the animals that eat both plants and meat. We have here bear. Say it with me, bear. Let's spell B-E-A-R. Bear. Bear are animals that huge, big. They are brown, black, and white in color. So bear, what do bear eat? Bear eat fishes, berries, grass. So as you can see here, these are animals. The fish is animal, grass is a plant, berries is a plant. So the bear eats both plants and animals. Now we can say that a bear eats both plants and meat. Again, one more time. A bear eats both plants and meat. Bear, bear. Another example of an omnivore, or an animal that eats both plants and meat, is turkey. Say it with me, turkey. Now let's spell Turkey, turkey. Now turkey has a long neck also. They have 2 legs. Now, what do turkey eat? Turkey eats lizard, frogs, berries. So as you can see, lizard is a kind of animal, berries is a plant, frog is an animal. Now, turkey eats both plants and animals, so we can call turkey an omnivores. Now say it with me, a turkey eats both plants and meat. One more time, a turkey eats both plants and meat. Great job, everyone! Now, let us review all our lesson today. Now, we've learned about the animals that eat plants. These are elephant, giraffe, zebra. Elephant, giraffe, zebra are some of examples of animals that eat plants. Now, can you think of animals that eat plants? Now, next we have animals that eat meat, such as crocodile, lion, and tiger. Crocodile, lion, and tiger are some of the examples of animals that eat meat. Can you think of animals that eat meat or other animals? Next, the last one, animals that eat plants and meat. These are bear, turkey. Bear and turkey are some of examples of the animals that eat plants and meat. Now, can you think of animals that eat both plants and animals? Great job, everyone. Now, here are your challenge for today. If you listen well to our lesson, now you can answer this challenge. Are you ready? Which animal eats plants only? Is it bear, giraffe, or the tiger? Which of these animals eats plants only? If your answer is giraffe, you are correct. Well done. Next we have, which animals eat meat only? Is it the elephant, turkey, or the crocodile? If your answer is the crocodile, you are correct. Great job. And last but not the least, which animal eats both plants and meat? Is it the turkey, lion, or the zebra? Which is correct? If your answer is turkey, well done. Great job, kids. You are correct. Now, here's your worksheets that you are going to do at home. First, you have Color the animal that eat only plants. Cross out the animal that eat only meat. Next, choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks. Next, match the animals to the food they eat. Good luck, everyone!